Hello and welcome, it's Joy Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. I'm going to do a little acrylic pour for you today, and it's going to be a 4-cup flip and lip. So flip the cup and lip the cup. It's like a basic technique that I think probably would be a lot of people's very first acrylic pour technique to flip cups. So I'm going to do it on this canvas, and I'm using up some leftover using up some leftover paints of pours that I've been doing this week. These little flip cups are 115 mils, I think, each cup. I know somebody asked me. These are the not the very small ones, but medium, so 115 mils. So I'm going to do 4-cup flip. I will just start off my particular pour. I will do my edges with this. It actually looks black, but it's black navy. But I might just pour my paints into the cups first and get going. So I'm going to just pour the white in first, because if you think about it, the first colour you pour in, it'll be the last colour that comes out of your cup, of your flip cup. So it doesn't have to be white at all, but that's what I'm going to make it. So I have a bit of the bright red left here, so of course I'm going to put some of that in my cup, and it looks like I'm only going to get it out of 2 cups, so I'll just do the second cup and not any further ones. So that's a nice bright red. As I said, I'm using up leftover colours. Now I have some beautiful, really nice bright yellow, really cheerful colour. So that's always nice to put in a pour. I might put a darker colour on the bottom of these, so I'll go my Berry Delicious, which is a really nice plummy black cherry that I make myself out of very bright red, phthalo blue, and a dab of black if you want it to go darker. So I'll just pop in some of that nice bright yellow, and that's the Berry Delicious. So these basic flip cup pours are probably one of the, it's quite an easy beginner's pour, but you always get lovely results out of them. It is I find it a little bit better if you've actually got thicker paint for flip cup pours, so it just prevents the colours from going muddy. I think if your paints are on the thicker side, this is a tiny bit of the phthalo blue I have left, and it literally is a tiny bit. So I'll just put that in one of them, and I have a little tiny bit, just a small amount of the lime green, so I might add that in to 2 of the cups. So yeah, this will nice and easily take up my paints, use these paints up. So this is a navy actually. It looks black, but it is navy. I made it myself out of phthalo blue, black, and a good blob of dark green. I'll go back to this is fluoro orange, so this is going to be nice and bright and stand out in that cup there. We'll go back to the yellow. I mean, they're probably really good sunsetty colours, like for if you were pouring to have like a sunset effect. Go back to the Berry Delicious. Oops. Let's just use the last of this up. I better put some lighter colours, because there's quite a few dark colours in there now, so I might just go back to the white fill up my white. We've had so much rain here in Queensland, it's been crazy, 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 like flooding. We don't flood because we literally are at the top of a mountain, but there's been severe flooding locally, so I feel sorry for those people caught in the floods. Okay, I'm just going to add some gold to this, because what the gold will do, it's a metallic gold, it'll put that shimmery shininess through the whole piece. Those are my puppies, a little litter of Aussie doodles. I will try and add a little bit of video either to the beginning or the end of this, so if you've already seen a bit of video, then I've fulfilled my I know that lots of people say post a picture of the video of the puppies, so I will try to remember that. Rightio, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my cups first. So I'll start off with them all up the top, and then I'm going to, I was going to put the dark colour, but I think I'll go with the white, just kind of to do my edges. So this is just my white acrylic paint. It's not house paint. I know lots of people say, oh, do you use house paint? Very rarely. Saying that, I probably will do next week, but who knows. Rightio, none of these colours have any silicone in. My pouring medium recipes in the drop down box underneath the description in this video. So pour it, flip it and lip it. So basically using the lip of your cup to just go back through it, I guess. I'm actually going to pour some white in between. This is what I meant to do and I forgot to do it. Never mind. And I didn't take that one down to the bottom. I'm going, oh, look at those beautiful cells. Going crazy, look at that. No silicone in them, just floetrol with my clear glue medium. So I'll just gently tilt it. There's Rosie. Just gently tilting it, taking it nice and slow. That orange is beautiful. That's the fluoro orange. That is really strange. I'm having like a sort of a flocking effect. I'm not sure what's causing this today. Let's give it another tilt and tilt a bit more paint off it. I've lost all those nice cells because I've tilted it, but in this area it's gone really like a snake skin or something. That has kind of ended up a little bit weird, but it's that actually dried and resined. So many people love these flip cup pours, you know what I mean, so I'm going to let that dry off, and I'm going to see if I want to do anything further with it, or I just want to leave it as it is. So I'll let it dry, and if you see the dry results at the end, then you'll know that I left it as it is. And I've got this out of, there you go. So my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me again on another rainy day, but I hope to see you all tomorrow, so please join me. I'll have something different tomorrow. Take care, bye for now. Okay, confession. It's kind of breaking up, so it must be one of the colours is not reacting too nicely with the other colours, and I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure if I put something different in one colour, it's actually causing the paint to flop. It actually looks quite nice, but I thought, oh, I can't, all those nice colours are in there, but you can't see them. And I know that one of the best ways to bring up your lovely colours is to balloon art it. So balloon art, your balloon art magic, so you've got to do some magic on it, and this kind of magic is the easiest kind to do. So put your balloon belly button in there, nice soft balloon, and let's see if we can get, if I get the kiss on here, I'm going to transfer it onto, oh look at that, balloon onto a bit of card to do a sticky kiss, which I did a video on the other day. Some sticky kisses. I'll hold the card up in a second, but that is lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's see, it's, you can, that one's not so lovely, but it brings up all the gorgeous colours when you do the balloon kiss. I need to get another card, don't I? Quick. I've got a art board here, so I'm going to transfer some of these kisses onto an art board. If I can quickly enough swap my things around, I will try and, those were my sticky kisses I just done on the card. I need to show you the actual detail that comes up in the sticky kisses. Calling them sticky kisses because they're after you have actually done your piece of art and then you press them onto something else, they're a little bit drier, and so I'm calling them sticky kisses because they are literally sticky kisses. So you can hear the sound they make and the absolute detail that comes out in your second balloon kiss is just beautiful. So on wood with sticky kisses. That one's a nice one. Like I've told you before, these particular, the second kiss, the sticky kisses, if you take up close high definition photos of them, they're so nice for prints and or having printed onto a canvas. Very nice. Oh, that's a nice one. Now I don't want to put too many more on there. But yeah, it's bringing, oh look, here's the red. There is the red. She said she doesn't want to put too much on there, and off she goes. Sticky kisses galore. The red has come up, that little bit of red I had in there. Now look how lovely that is. Oh, sticky kiss. You must have a sticky kiss of this one. These are really good also to put on a piece of silicone mat, because then when they dry you can peel your kisses off and either make another piece of art, which I should do a video for you instead of talking about it, to show you what I would do. I'm going to let that dry off a bit. It's getting a bit muddy, because it's probably better to dry it off. I'm coming in with my smaller balloon, and then it does a nice little effect in the centre of those sticky kisses. Oh, I love that red, see? Oh, I should have mixed some more red up to go in there, because that is so nice. But I can see the shimmering effect that the metallic gold left in it. So I really hope you enjoyed that. I know there's some people that, oh, I don't want you to do your kisses, but remember, you don't have to do the same as what I'm doing. You can follow my lead to a certain point that you like, and then you go off on your own journey. And, well, I'm not going to do Jill's stilly kisses, Jilly's sticky kisses, or silly kisses, whatever you call them. Whatever I call it, that looks fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. That's the only person you have to please is yourself. Yourself. I'm going to bring you down for some close-ups. Oh, there you go. Some gorgeous kisses in that one. Gorgeous effect in the whole thing. I'm really happy with that. So hoping it dries beautifully. I'll just bring you over to where I've got my... That was the card stock. I just transferred some of the sticky kisses on, so it's the second kiss. I call them sticky kisses. And look how beautiful the effect is. So I can fold that cardstock in two and make it a greetings card. And like I said, you can take high definition photos of these particular images. I'll just take a photo with my iPhone. It's actually really good enough to get prints of. Like I said, you can put them on items, material, clothing, gift tags, bags, or onto a canvas all on its own of this. I'll bring you back to the other one. Wow, there's so many on here now. So sticky kisses. The detail in that, my light is reflecting, so it's not giving you a really good impression of them, but there you go. Sticky kisses. And that was that one on that art board. So very happy with those. Okie doke, my people, bye for now.